I guess as we all look to the future, the only certainty is uncertainty in one sense. And I suppose to be well positioned for success, we all know that life sciences and healthcare organizations need to be agile, adaptable, and future focused. So just to quote Marshall Goldsmith, one of the world's most successful executive coaches, what got you here won't get you there.
Understanding your macro environment in terms of the economic factors that might impact your business. We can be insulated. Sometimes you're insulated when you're in the multinational world around the macro environment, but I think not anymore. I think we've seen it with the last 12, 18 months or even the last 3-4 years, the impact, the macro environment. So really understanding that, and as you highlighted, being able to see around corners. None of us can do it, but follow the data, understand the data, and understand why you're making a particular assessment. So that's the macroeconomics piece, that not to be afraid of that.
Moving from this transactional type of model to transformational and supporting the business, and what are we doing to affect the bottom line? What are we doing to become an enabler to the business? And how do we help them move faster, quicker, better, in a cost-effective manner?
Don't over-engineer it, don't overthink it. Try and keep it as easy and as simple as you possibly can. You have your data and your systems to support you. Sometimes it's those simple things that, when you don't over-engineer it, people really value that.